Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem. Open Task Manager and watch system interrupts while you reproduce the issue. If it spikes above normal, restart and check Windows Update to rule out immediate fixes. Make a quick inventory of key drivers, display, chipset, audio, network, including versions and dates so you can compare later. Once done, disconnect non-essential USB devices. This narrows potential hardware sources and lets you move into targeted driver fixes without guessing. You now dig into the middle steps. Open Device Manager and update suspected drivers, starting with network and audio, then the chipset and display. If updates don't help, disable a device briefly to see if interrupts drop. This isolates faulty hardware or drivers. Next, adjust power settings to balanced or high performance and turn off fast startup because power state transitions can cause interrupts. Make sure to check Event Viewer and a DPC/latency tool to map spikes to specific drivers. Finish by rolling back or performing a clean driver install for the device you identified, using the hardware vendor's installer rather than generic drivers. Next, perform a clean boot and test in safe mode. If interrupts disappear, you've isolated a software conflict. If hardware still looks suspect, swap cables and ports or temporarily replace the device. Make sure to update BIOS or firmware as a last step. If problems persist, document one clear reproduce scenario and contact the vendor with your logs for faster support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.